Steam is a popular video game distribution platform owned by Valve. It holds a 75% market share of the digital distribution PC gaming platform with over 34,000 gaming titles to choose from. The Steam client, which you will install in your computer to enable you to download games, usually starts immediately during the Windows 10 startup. If you don't want this to happen, then we will show you how to disable Steam on startup. First method, disable Steam from running at startup from settings. One of the quickest ways to prevent Steam from starting when your computer boots up is from its settings. First, click on Steam. This is located on the upper left side of the Steam application. Then, click on Settings. This is usually the second to the last option. Then, click on the Interface tab. This is located on the left pane and is usually the fourth option from the top. Then, uncheck the box Run Steam when my computer starts. This will prevent Steam from starting automatically when you boot your computer. Click on the OK button. This will save changes that you made. Disable Steam from running at startup from Task Manager. Another method that you can do to prevent Steam from running on startup is from the Task Manager. First, right-click on the Start button. Then, click on Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Right-click on the Steam Client Bootstrapper. Select Disable. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.